What's up, my brother?
What's going on,
Come on, take those out your ear, son. Come on, take those out. Keep the new joints in, son.
Hey, right now, I ain't even got nothing over right now. I just spent all my shit on this, bro. I'm out of there. Yeah,
Yeah, that's the Apple Watch, son.
Yeah.
Come on, son. Stop playing, son.
I see you, bro. I see you. Yeah, I see you, bro. I just, right now, I ain't even got it over,
man.
bro.
God is good. No, God is good, G.
Yeah.
Next time.
All right, next time, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, Pop?
You good, Pop?
How's the business?
Business is always good, man. What is that?
That's the AirPod Pros, and this is the tablet.
Yeah, but
That's the Apple Watch.
This is the fake one.
No, it's not. Stop playing with me, son.
No?
Stop playing. Go Peralo. You Peralo. Stop playing with me, son.
Hey, what is this, man?
That's the Apple Watch. That's the app tablet.
It's fake.
Come on, stop playing with me, son.
No fake, man?
No, you Peralo.
You Peralo? What is that, man?
That's the Apple Watch.
Oh, fake. You don't sell fake shit?
Come on, sell no fake shit, son. Stop playing with me.
Blue bracelet?
But you can buy an extra band. The band comes on,
That
Pop.
shit is ugly, man. Ugly bracelet, man.
You a player hater, son. And you own this joint. And you own this motherfucker, man. You acting like that, son.
Hey, son. How much this is?
I'm selling that for, $100.
Ah, man.
Look.
Come on, son. Español.
See, come on, man. Stop playing. You got your iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me check it.
Yeah, but I mean, too much, man.
How much can you for it?
That's because those are the fake ones.
Okay, don't buy it then. Don't buy it.
Is that fake?
Poppy, how long you know me? I be coming here all the time. How long you know me, Pop? I bring Apple computers. I bring all that shit. Come on, man. You know me. Don't do me like that, son. I'm willing to open it.
It's not the new one,
That's the pros. These are the pros. The pros, the new ones in the store, Pop.
Much, Pop.
$240 in the store. Hey,
No.
Let me. Come on.
Pop, open it. How long the battery last?
Poppy, the battery lasts like 8 hours. It's the pros, you know.
You got
Everything is brand new, Pop. Look at that shit inside, man. Open it. Open the lock.
¿Qué pasó, amigo?
What's up, G? Look. Pull that up. Yeah, there you go. Connect it. Connect.
Le vas a hablar a ponérsela.
It's gonna connect. Hold on.
¿Ponérsela? ¿Le vas a hablar? No, dale, ponérsela. ¿Para enfrente la quiero? No, para...
Look.
Short trailer.
Okay.
Come on, man. It's ready to go, Pa. Put it in your ear. Stop playing. And it got the charge and everything. Yo. Yup. And I got the Apple Watch for you too, son.
What you selling now?
I'm selling that for 80. I give it to you for 60 right now, son.
60.
Yup. And I got the AirPod Pros.
How much?
I'm selling it for 80.
80.
Yup. I know, but at the end of the day, it's all upgrade. That's why I said I give it to you for 60. You can still do what you want to do because at the end of the day, you're in the truck, right? You got to sign in and out. For that, you can do it on there too. And look, look. And look. Come on, man, stop playing with me, man. Come on, man, stop playing with me, son. He know me. He know. I deal with him all the time. That's my friend. Only I could talk to him like this because if anything, he would have been shot me already, son. Yo, Pa, you don't want the Apple computer that I had?
Too much dinero.
Oh, man.
What's that?
That's the Apple Watch.
Oh, alright. Can't That's for 82?
No, this is 180, son.
180.
That's, you know, the Apple Watch. Come on, you know.
I ain't never had one.
Oh man, you love it, man. I got 2 of them in the car. Apple
180?
joint. Yeah, son, there's Apple and everything. You can switch the bands. I'll put it in the charger so she come on. There you go, Father. There you go. Rock that shit, son. God bless, man. I'm gonna come back with that Apple computer. No. Okay. That's why I knew you was gonna love it. I know you was gonna love it. I'll come back with some more. I got you. Look. Put both of them in your ear. You playing, son? Apple.